This is the 22nd video on computer awareness quiz, and this will be a 40-part video series on computer awareness, wherein we'll be discussing the basic fundamentals and concepts relating to computers, programs and related terminologies or terms. You will find these videos besides the respective JK Today quiz under computer awareness quiz section. Link is in the description. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask them in the comment section. So let's quickly get on with it. Which of these has the highest transmission capacity? Correct answer is C. Optical fibers. Optical fibers have around 26,000 times more transmission capacity than twisted pair cable, and coaxial cables have around 80 times more transmission capacity than the twisted pair cables. Which of these standards is used to define Ethernet-based networks? Correct answer is B. IEEE 802.3. It is a set of standards put forth by the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers that define Ethernet-based networks, as well as the name of the working group assigned to develop these standards. Which of these standards is used to define fiber optic connections? Correct answer is B. The IEEE 802.8 defines the LAN standard for fiber optic media used in token passing computer networks like FDDI. Which of these standards is used to define higher layer LAN protocols? Correct answer is D. IEEE 802.1. IEEE 802 standard is a family of IEEE standards dealing with local area networks and metropolitan area network. IEEE 802.1 deals with the higher layer LAN protocols. Which of these network topologies has every computer and network device connected to a single cable? Correct answer is D. Bus. Bus topology is a network type in which every computer and network device is connected to a single cable. It is ideal for small networks. Which of the following is not a disadvantage of a tree network topology? Correct answer is B. One of the advantages of tree network topology is that error detection is easily done. Also, it is easy to manage and expand. Hence, it is its advantage and not a disadvantage. Which of these network topologies have all the network nodes connected directly to each other? Correct answer is a mesh. Mesh topology is a point-to-point connection to other nodes or devices. All the network nodes are directly connected to each other. Which of the following is an advantage of using ring network topology? Correct answer is C. In ring topology, each computer is connected to another computer, with the last one connected to the first. Exactly two neighbors are there for each device. The advantage of using a ring network is that the network is not affected by high traffic. Which of these networks usually have all the computers connected to a hub? Correct answer is C. In star topology, all the computers are connected to a single hub through a cable. This hub is the central node, and all other nodes are connected to this central node. Which of the following transmission medium has category named as RG58, RG59, and RG11? Correct answer is A. There are three categories of coaxial cables, namely RG59, which is for cable TV, RG58, which is the thin Ethernet, and RG11, which is the thick Ethernet. RG stands for radio government. Which of the following cable works on the properties of light? This must be easy. Correct answer is fiber optics. Fiber optics works on the properties of light. When light ray hits at critical angle, it tends to diffract at 90 degree. This property is the basis of fiber optics. Which of these standards is defined by IEEE 802.3 AB? Correct answer is C. Gigabyte Ethernet over copper wiring. 802.3 AB, which is also known as 1000 base/T, is a standard for gigabyte Ethernet over copper wiring. What do we call the network design containing more than one topology? Correct answer is a hybrid. A network structure whose design contains more than one topology is said to be a hybrid topology and has all the merits and demerits of all the incorporating topologies. What does the number 10 depict in 10 base-T? Correct answer is 10 Mbps. Traditional Ethernet uses 10 base T specification. The number 10 depicts 10 Mbps speed, and base stands for baseband and T for thick Ethernet. What does NIC stand for? Correct answer is D. Network Interface Card. A network interface card is a hardware component which is installed on a computer so that it can connect to a network. What role does fiber play in optic fiber cables? Correct answer is both A and B. Fibers are used instead of metal wires because signals travel along them with less loss. Also, fibers are immune to electromagnetic interference, a problem which metal wires suffer excessively. In addition, fibers are also used for illumination and imaging. Who invented the twisted pair cables? Correct answer is Alexander Graham Bell. He invented it in around 1881. It is a type of wiring in which two conductors of a single circuit are twisted together for the purpose of improving electromagnetic compatibility. Which of the following is a disadvantage of using twisted pair cables for transmitting data? Correct answer is C. Twisted pair cables are cost effective and easy to install, but different pairs within the cable have different delays due to different twist rates that are used to minimize crosstalk between the pairs. Hence the answer is delay skew. What is the bandwidth limit for Cat5e cable? Correct answer being up to 1 Gbps, that is 1 gigabytes per second. It was made as an improvement over Cat5 cables which can support data transmission up to 100 Mbps. What is the bandwidth limit for Cat2 cable? Correct answer is B. Cat2 or Category 2 cable supports speeds up to 4 Mbps. It is used mostly for token ring networks. It is an improvement over Category 1 cable which supports speeds up to 1 Mbps. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment. Thank you and see you in the next one.